Tesla is a company that produces electric vehicles, EVs, energy storage systems, and solar products. Tesla cars are electric vehicles that use rechargeable batteries to power an electric motor. They offer a range of models, including the Model S, Model X, Model 3, and Model Y. The Model S is a luxury sedan, while the Model X is a luxury SUV. The Model 3 is a more affordable sedan, and the Model Y is a more affordable SUV. Tesla cars are powered by electric motors and lithium-ion battery packs, which provide instant torque and impressive acceleration. They are also designed with advanced features such as autopilot, which allows the car to steer, accelerate, and brake automatically in certain situations. Tesla cars are also known for their long range, with some models capable of traveling up to 400 miles on a single charge. They can be charged at home using a Tesla wall connector, or at public charging stations using the Tesla Supercharger network, which provides fast charging speeds.